Hey guys, this is going to be Lab 14. So we've already been through the lecture. If you haven't listened to the lecture, pause this and go back and go ahead and watch the lecture. It's pretty short on this chapter. Um, but it's definitely useful to listen to before you try to attempt this program or attempt this lab. All right, so let's make a start here. It says select the shapes program. So I have shapes program selected on my pendant, and the pendant gets priority over everything, by the way. If you switch windows, it doesn't really matter what other application you're in. This pendant is going to be in your face regardless. So we're going to select the shapes program, and then we're going to copy that program and make a copy of it and name that program square. And then we're going to delete all of the lines that don't pertain to the square. So this is just an easy way of making a subset of an existing program. So this is my pendant. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of that. So I'm going to copy it from NC Shapes to NC Square. So I need to be in uppercase, NC SQ. Well, I need to just go ahead and backspace out of all of the stuff that I don't need. So it's going to be NC square. So NC is Q, Q, U, A, R, E. Okay, and that's good. And enter. It says okay to copy. Yes. So now we have 2 copies of the program. You can see them side by side, NC shapes and NC square. So the next set of instructions was get rid of all of the stuff that's not associated with square. All right, so let's do that now. So I've labeled my points as you should have as well. So the beginning and the end of my square programming is from lines 3 through 8, and then 9. You can say 9 as well if you include the home. So I'm going to get rid of everything after line 10. So I'm going to cursor to line 10, and I'm going to hit edit command and delete. I should be using my pendant. Delete, enter, and then the number of lines that I want to delete. You can add lines by just scrolling down, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll down and delete the lines. Yes. All right, so now I have the first one done. All right, so what's the next item? So we've done that. So now we're going to go back into the shapes program. So let's get back into shapes. And we're going to utilize the edit command to copy all the lines pertaining to the circle. You utilize the edit command to copy all the lines pertaining to the circle. All right, so let's do that. In this case, I want lines 1 and 2. So I can do this in 2 ways. Honestly, it would be easiest just to copy everything and then delete the non-circle stuff. And that's what I'm going to do. I know what it says, but I'm not going to do it exactly like that because I'm going to select lines because I would have to go back and insert lines 1 and 2 anyway. So this is just, to me, an easier way to do it. So we have copy, and that's it. So now we're going to create a new program called Circle. So let's do a select and create. So we have to get our secondary menu over there, and we hit the F button, create, and we want to arrow down for uppercase, and we're going to do in C circle. I have to use the arrow key because that C is on the same button. I R C L E circle. All right, program name circle. Good. And now I'm going to insert. So enter. So now I'm going to paste in my items. So I'm going to say copy paste, and then I'm going to say paste. It says paste before this line. Yes. And now I have to make a decision. Do I want to paste logic, position ID, and or positions? So which of those is best for copying outside of a program? So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select positions because it should be okay with the user frames and user tools defined. All right, so this is circle. Problem is we have everything that we don't need. And we need to get rid of some of the lines that we do have. All right, so back to previous, cursor to the line, the beginning line that we want to delete, edit command, delete, and then we're cursor down until we get through everything that's not associated with the circle. That's going to be right there. Delete lines, yes. So now we have the circle complete, NC circle. And we have one more to go. So keep going down that road. So this is the process that you will use for the remainder of the lab. You have one more that you'll need to create. So you're going to create another program called triangle, initials plus triangle, and you're going to use the edit command to copy the lines from shape, and then select one of the copied programs to reverse the motion using the paste method. So in this last example, you're going to do a reverse motion for the triangle. So the triangle is going to be copy, but then you're going to paste in a reverse motion. All right. That's it for 14. Good luck.